So my name is Joani Pemberton, and we are going to preview this Parklane model, and we're in the Webb community in Lake Las Vegas. And this particular model has 2,450 square feet. It is 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. Right now, the garage is called the Build Quality Center. And this is the front of the home, so come on in. There's like a little gate here to the entryway that's opened. So come on in. So we're first walking into the entryway, which is really pretty nice. It has wainscoting, it has a tray ceiling that has crown molding, and it also has recessed lighting. This particular model is really pretty nice. It has a lake view lot, and there's lot premium that goes to that. And every lot premium is a little bit different. So if you're interested in purchasing a house here, you'd have to consult the salesperson about what that price may be. I don't think I talked about the price of this home. It is $525,000, $888 is the base price. So you're looking at about 15 to 20% over that. So over to my right, we have a really charming den. It's about 11 by 15. It has wood flooring, kind of a walnut color wood flooring. There's a nice chandelier. That's an upgrade. It has this really pretty cloth wall covering. Really nice. Might even be vinyl. This is in the side of the home when you first walk in. In here, the cabinetry is white color, but in the rest of the home, it's a little bit of a darker color, dark brown color. Straight ahead, we have a half bath with a pedestal sink. So we're going to move on into the family room, dining room, kitchen combination. This family room is about 16 by 15. It has recessed lighting, and it has this interesting, ornate, granite or marble little pieces of tile that are intricately put together. It has lots of natural light here. And of course, this lot has a lake view. So we're looking on out under the covered patio, which is pretty spacious. And in this particular model, they have the fireplace with the same intricate tile inlaid into the fireplace. Might as well just go out here. Take a look at this lot. In the covered patio, we have the 10 by 20 tile. A little bit windy out here. It's about 109 degrees at this moment. And then the rest of the backyard has artificial grass, and it's pavered. So we're pretty elevated. Probably, I don't know, 2,500 feet in elevation maybe. But you do get the breath of all of Lake Las Vegas. It's pretty nice. Okay, moving on back into the home. To the right, we have the dining area, which also has a tray ceiling with that is crown molded, and it has recessed lighting. In this room, besides all of the windows, it has wainscoting up the wall in this dark blue color, pretty nice. And the tile, same tile that's on the patio, is this 10 by 20. I think it's ceramic tile. It's kind of a gray taupe color. In this kitchen, the composite of the countertops in the island is a marble composite. It's about 95% marble and 5% composite material to hold it together. And it has an undermounted sink. And we have Wolf appliances. So we have the Wolf dishwasher. And this is kind of a chef's, enlarged chef's Wolf range and cooktop. And hood. Pretty massive. And this, of course, is a quartz countertop. And kind of a large tile for the backsplash back here. I want to say large subway tile. And then we have the Wolf microwave oven. Nice height for a microwave oven. We have the pantry in the corner. Nice big pantry. And we have a Sub-Zero refrigerator freezer combination here. Pretty nice. And next, we are gonna move on into the master. The ceilings in here, I think, are 9 feet. The master's in the back of the house. We have an interesting tray ceiling here with recessed lighting. Nice window, brings in a lot of natural light. This house is south facing, so we're looking at the lake. This particular lot has lake view again, very nice. I love these barn doors. It separates the master bath with the master bedroom with no space saving, I'll say. Not a lot of space. The master bath is still tiled again with a 10 by 20 tile. It has a walk-in shower that is fully tiled. Has the same kind of tile on the flooring as it does up here. And then this flooring pulls into the same tile as the flooring throughout the house. There's recessed lighting. We have dual sinks here with that same marble composite. And this really has a nice, spacious master closet with recessed lighting. And coming out of the master closet to the left is a water closet. I really like these tray ceilings, they're interesting. And here you can kind of get the breadth of this, dining room, kitchen, family room combination. It's really pretty nice with the nice sliding glass doors. These sliding glass doors are an upgrade, I believe. So moving into we're going to check out the 3 secondary bedrooms in the front of the house. Or 2, I should say. 2 secondary bedrooms. It's a 3-bedroom home. On the way to our right, we have the entrance to the garage. We have a drop zone and a laundry room. Okay, so this laundry room has the same cabinetry that the cabinetry in the kitchen, and it has an over-mounted sink. It's spacious. Recessed lighting. And we're back into the entryway of the house. Here's the front door. If you're coming into the front door to the right, we have 2 bedrooms and a 3/4 bath. The 3/4 bath is fully tiled. One sink. It's quartz countertop with an undermounted sink. It has a nice bench in the bath. I'm in the shower. Very clean looking with a frameless shower door. And in the front of the house, we have a secondary bedroom. It's about 11 by 11. It has wainscoting and all this decorative animal print, if you will, wallpaper. And we have a walk-in closet. Again, we're in the front of the house, so we got a lot of natural light. Over here we have a closet, linen closet. And moving along to the third secondary bedroom. Third bedroom is about 11 by 11. It has a walk-in closet. Oh, nice walk-in closet. So this concludes our tour of this Parklane model. Again, this model is 2,450 square feet. The price is $525,880. It has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. If you have any interest in this home or any of the homes in my video tours, you can contact me with my information below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any upcoming videos. Thank you.